Let's create retro bitmap effect in Photoshop. Select Type tool. Type text you want. I am using Archivo Extra Condensed Font. Follow above settings. From Layer Style add Stroke. Then add Drop Shadow. Follow settings. Add Gradient Overlay. Follow these settings. Select Background Layer. Choose Gradient tool. Follow settings. Drag line for gradient. Select background layer, right-click and select Merge Visible. Press Ctrl, Alt plus I key. Follow settings. Go to Image. Select Mode and select Grayscale. Again select Mode and now select Bitmap. Make sure your channel should be at 8 bits. Follow these settings. Now go to Image, select Grayscale. Again go to Image and select RGB color. From Adjustment Layer, select Hue Saturation. Follow settings. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel.